Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about gasoline myths when it comes to octane ratings, etc., things like that, and additives in fuel. People are always asking questions, should I use a higher octane rating with my vehicle? Well, what we tell folks is you should use the octane rating that's recommended for your vehicle. Most vehicles in your handbook will tell you either your 87 or 91 or 92 octane fuel, depending on what you have in your area. Manufacturers and engineers design engines for a specific octane rating. And the reason for that is the octane rating is the burn, the detonation, etc. when put in the cylinder. High compression engines require a higher octane rating to keep the motor running properly and prevent damage and pinging inside of the motor. So what you want to do is follow your manufacturer's recommendation when it comes to the fuel in your vehicle. Folks also ask about different stations and suppliers of fuel. And the difference pretty much is the additives put into the fuel. As you know, here in California, we have summer and winter fuel. There are different additives put into the fuel. So you want to make sure that you're using a quality fuel. The additives they do put in at higher end stations often do help reduce carbon buildup, keep valves clean, etc.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.